how to create your Noodle Tools account. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open up Noodle Tools, and then you're going to go ahead and click here in this yellow sign-in sheet. From here along the left-hand side, you're going to click on New User Registration. You're an account linked to a school library, so you will select that and then hit Register. Once you're here, you'll put in the school library account username and password, which you can get in the library, and hit Sign In. Now from this page you need to go ahead and fill in all of this information, making sure that you're selecting a personal ID or username and a password, something that you'll remember. So go ahead and fill that in for something that you want. I'm going to sign into my account so that I can then show you some of the features that are here. So once you've created your account, this next screen will show up, which is your projects page. So you can see one of the advantages of Noodle Tools is that you can have lots of papers and projects signed here that you can reference back to. Whenever you have a new project signed from a teacher, go ahead and click on this Create a New Project link, and then based on what they're asking of you, what format, what level you are, select the appropriate buttons, and then title that project whatever you would like to call it. Hit Create Project, and then each individual project has its own personal dashboard. From this dashboard you can go ahead and put in your research question, you can have a thesis statement, you can share this if a teacher wants to share it through a Dropbox that they've created. You can have a to-do list, comments can go back and forth between you and the teacher. One of the most common uses of Noodle Tools is for your works cited page, which is this link right here. So if you go ahead and select that, once you're here and you have a piece of information that you want to be sure to cite in your final works cited page, click the drop down arrow and select the appropriate thing that you are citing. So say you're doing a book, select book, and then hit Create Citation. This will give you just a chance to sort of think about what kind of source it is. If you're all set with that, you can hide this screen next time. You can change that if you don't need to think about that. Hit Continue. And then from here it will now ask you what sort of book is it. Is it a website? Is it a print book? And then you select the appropriate link and start to fill in the information for that particular book that you have. If you are unsure at any point or you can't find that information, leave it blank. And you can come back to it, you can ask me a question or your teacher a question, but leave it blank. Annotations, if your teacher is asking you to do an annotated bibliography, this is where you would fill that in. You would then hit Submit. Mine probably won't let me because I'm not filling in the information, but then it would be added right to your works cited information, which would be back here at the dashboard. Thank you.